I'm gonna do a quick review on the set of headrest hooks. They're made out of like a hard plastic. This part here hooks right on the silver part of your headrest, and it'll hang down just like this, so you can store grocery bags so they don't be so they're not on the floor. Or I drive a truck, so I'm gonna put these on the back to store my hats. Got one hat here. It'll be hanging like this. You just put the hat like that, and it'll be keep them out of my seat and out of the floorboard. This pack here came with got 4 hooks on it, so that'll help out a lot. I actually ordered 2 packs, so I have quite a few hats I have in my truck for golf and stuff, so that way I keep them off the floor, they won't get messed up. But this is a 4-pack set or car seat headrest hooks. If you're looking for a good hook, I suggest these. And the hook's really easy to install. Just slide the hook through the headrest like that. Throw the hat up here. Throw a hat here. It's really good. Keeps them off the floor. I know they'll come in good use. I think I'll like them, and I think you will too. Check them out. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.